Dear students, welcome you all to the fifth session of the subject Executive Development and Soft Skills of third semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, let us discuss about the essentials and importance of teamwork. So, learning objective. The session is intended to teach you about the essentials and importance of the teamwork, and session outcome is you are able to understand the importance of teamwork and what the basic essentials of good teamwork. These are the importance of teamwork. That is, the first one is new ideas. Teamwork will help you to generate new ideas. The different ages, backgrounds, skill sets and experience levels of a team means that there is a unique perspective just waiting to be heard. So when you create a safe space where individuals can work together as a team without the fear of criticism, new ideas and perspectives will start to flow. The second importance of teamwork is it increases the efficiency. If you wanted to improve the efficiency in your business, get your employees to work together. This will allow you to split difficult tasks into more manageable chunks and complete them faster. It is also a great way to ensure that the person with the most skills is working on the part that suits him or best. So therefore, like, this will help you to improve the efficiency, or the efficiency of the entire team. So hence it increases the efficiency of the organization. Better quality. The quality you expect from your project uh, or just your business in general may be too much for one person to handle, but with teamwork you get the best that everyone has to offer. As a result, as a result, that equals higher quality on a more consistent basis, because you are not relying on only one person. Instead of that, you are depending upon the team. So hence, the many people are involved in the work, the quality of the product would improve. High morale. So this is another important importance of teamwork. If you want people to feel better themselves and the job they are doing, get them to work together. The morale boost they will receive highlights the importance of teamwork at the office. When team is a priority, your employee will feel that their work is valued, that they can contribute to a successful result, and that they may have something special to offer. So by that way, this will improve or boost in morale, morale of the employees. This is very essential to the success of a group and success of a organization. Next, group cohesion. Group cohesion is essential for business focused on success. Without it, individuals will more likely to apply their efforts for their own benefits rather than the benefit of your company. And with everyone working towards slightly different purposes, your project and your business will suffer. So right, so therefore, like, group cohesion is very essential, and therefore teamwork is important. More learning opportunities. Working as a team allows your employees to see the success and failures of others in a supportive environment. More than that, working as a team allows your employees to learn from each other without undue risk. For example, when things go away, the team can pull together to make them better. But in the process, everyone learns what not to do next time. That can provide insight into how to get things done more efficiently and effectively in the first time around. Next one is sense of accomplishment. The encouragement and support you get from working together as a team make the accomplishment that much sweeter. That then can feed over into a renewed sense of individual purpose and confidence that can reinforce the group as well. It is very much of self-fulfilling cycle where accomplishment breeds accomplishment and success breeds success. Faster innovation. If you asked one employee with solving a problem, how many different viable solutions you could get? Maybe one or two or three maximum. But what if you asked your team with the solving same problem? I'm very sure you would get bundle of new ideas. So therefore, it leads to faster innovation, less managerial interference. When individual employees work together as a part of a team, there is a sense of self-monitoring that is not present when they work by themselves. This self-correcting behavior means that the managerial manager does not have to get involved as often as they might with the individuals. That is good for you and ultimately for your team who now benefit from more autonomy. So when you are asked to work in a group, or like when there is a team working, the managerial requirement is very less, because so they are able to correct their mistakes themselves. One is able to guide and help the other person when a person is in difficulty, or when a person requires any kind of advice or guidance, he could depend upon the other team members instead of depending upon the managers. Stronger working relationship. When your employees work together and succeed together, they form strong working relationship. Those relationships can grow to include mutual trust and maybe even friendship under the right circumstances. For example, a team of kabaddi match, so the particular team is going to has won the match. So this will help them to make their relationship stronger and stronger, and they wanted to continue the same team for a very long period. So therefore, it makes the team relationship very strong. So these are the various very important. It tells about the importance. Like these are the 10 points says about the why teamwork is important. Now let us discuss the essentials of a good teamwork. These are the 8 essentials. The first one is start with core ideas. Second one, develop leadership skills. Third one, train for continuous improvement. Fourth one, address the human element of quality. Tackle complex issues collaboratively. Empower employees' ideas. Listen and respond to feedback, and be consistent. The first one is start with core ideas. Clearly defining and communicating your company vision, mission, and values are very essential. While this is typically recommended for employee alignment and buy-in, its ability to empower employees is not as widely recognized. For example, Donnell's mission is to deliver the good products to on time. Therefore, if ever there is a question of what to do in a given situation, employees at any level can make the right decision based on answering the question, does this solution help deliver good products on time? So therefore, like start with the core idea. So the idea should be very clearly defined so that employees or the team members should aware about what to be done. Next, develop leadership skills. Understand that the leadership is a skill that can be learned and improved upon. This applies to all levels and functions of your organization. Seek to offer practical sessions teaching leadership, giving people tools they can immediately use on them. So therefore, developing leadership skill is very essential in a teamwork. Next one, train for continuous improvement. Of many improvement techniques out there, we believe the lean technique training within industry to be more among the most effective. So the approach involves teacher-student relationship, enabling rapid and consistent training of teams to recommend process improvement. So the trained continuous training to the team members will help them to make their team effort and teamwork very strong, and success of the team will be more. Next, address the human elements of quality. Even on the strongest team, people make mistakes. That's why it's crucial to have a process for identifying, analyzing, and reducing human errors. Next, fifth one is tackle complex issues collaboratively. Some challenges go deeper or broader than the specific task typically addressed in the mistake proofing. Cross-functional teams can help break down systematic operational issues and take action to implement changes. One of the biggest advantage of this team-based approach is accountability. It's not executives demanding improvements, it is the team perceiving and enabling improvements from each other. So therefore, like whenever there is a complex issues, it has to be solved in a group. Empower employees' ideas. Too often, barriers to implement great ideas are too big. You have to work to make sure that make work to make sure employees are encouraged and taught not only how to come up with ideas but also how to bring them to life, refining them, selling them to the leadership, getting them implemented. Then when employees see a real opportunity, can we can jump at the chance to improve our jobs. So therefore, empower employees ideas, which would be very essential for the teamwork. Listen and respond to feedback. It's also important to monitor the mood and perspective of the entire team, solicit input on safety, values, quality, leadership, services, lean manufacturing, training, everything that has a direct impact on your success. And of course, you must follow through by making improvements based on what you hear, measure, and observe. Doing so improves employee satisfaction, loyalty, and elevates productivity. And the last one is be consistent. Finally, for all of these team building initiatives, you must be intentional and persistent. People must see that changes are not temporary or one-offs, but part of enduring, ongoing process. The more changes for better are implemented and stay implemented, the more people seek to participate in improvements and new methodologies. These are the essentials of a good teamwork. Thank you.